So how long is your online course going to be? And does it even matter? Time matters. Of course it matters. It always matters. Time is that thing, that most elusive thing, probably the one thing that we can never get back. It probably is the most valuable resource we have in our lives. So the duration of your course really does matter. Imagine for a second you are trying to attract a new prospect to you and your services and to your business. Are they really going to be willing to sit through an 8-hour-long course if they don't yet know you? They don't yet trust you? They don't know that that time invested in you is going to be beneficial? Absolutely no chance, right? So it's really important to get clear about what you are trying to achieve with your course, because that will decide how long your course will be. So in this clip that's coming up, which is taken from an online course called Crash Course Lite, you're going to learn about the 3 different types of courses that there are. And you'll also learn about exactly how long your course should be depending on which of those products you are looking to create. Let's take a look. So in your course overview section, you decided if you're going to create a course as a gift, as a product for prospects, or a core service. Now, as a guiding rule, I would suggest that a gift should be around the 30 to 60 minute mark. Why not longer? Well, because this gift is designed for people that don't yet know you, that don't yet have a relationship with you. They are not going to be willing to invest 5 hours of their time with you until you've proven yourself. That's why you need the gift. So a gift should be around 30 to 60 minutes long. A product for prospects is a little bit different. You've probably had some interaction with that prospect or customer before, maybe a podcast, maybe they've read some blogs, they've seen you at an event, or you've been recommended. You've got some kind of credibility with them already. In that case, you're probably looking at a course, a product for prospects course is around the 3-hour mark. Again, could be a little bit longer, could be a little bit shorter, but I would say the 2 to 3 hour mark. A core service, of course, can be a lot longer. You've probably had a lot of interactions with them already. They're already kind of sold on you as a source of quality material. With them, yes, you can, of course, spend more time with them and create a longer, more significant course. I would suggest that a core course starts at around the 3-hour mark, 3 hours and up. So let's assume you are intending to create a gift. And let's assume that you are aiming for around the 60-minute mark. So 60 minutes, 100 words per minute. Even my basic maths can work that out as 6,000 words. So that's of course going to dictate and help you decide what you're going to include in your book. If it's a product for prospects, and again, let's assume you're aiming around the 3-hour mark, 2 to 3 hour mark. Well, 3 hours of content is the equivalent of 18,000 words. If you're intending to create a core service and you're aiming at, for example, 5 hours, then 5 hours is the equivalent of 30,000 words. So understanding how long your course is going to be is going to help you in the next section when you actually decide what content to include. Okay, so now you know exactly how long your course needs to be. And the answer depends on what type of course you're actually looking to create. Are you trying to create a gift, a product for prospects, or a core service? So if you learned something during this video, do me a big favor and give me the thumbs up. That would be much appreciated. Now, if you want to learn more about how to create an online course, then I've got an online course to teach you exactly how to do that. It's called Crash Course Lite. Now, it's available for $19.99, and it's a little bit over the hour mark, which means I'm actually willing to give that to you as a gift. Totally free, and there's a link in the description below. Just check out that link, and that link will include a free coupon code. So whilst it's available, you can go and grab that course for free. Hope to see you there.